there, everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the latest in the stock market and Forex world so you can stay ahead of the game. If you're looking to understand today's market action, grab a seat because we're diving into the key trends and analysis for September 17, 2024. Let's get into it. The stock market kicked off today on a mixed note. After yesterday's rally, investors seem a little cautious this morning, balancing some positive earnings reports with ongoing concerns about inflation. The S&P 500 is hovering around the flatline, barely holding on to its gains from last week, while the NASDAQ is showing a slight uptick, mostly thanks to tech stocks. One big thing to note, the Federal Reserve's upcoming decision on interest rates is keeping traders on edge. There's speculation we could see another rate hike, and that's leading to some jittery moves across sectors. Healthcare and energy stocks are feeling the pressure, while tech seems to be handling the uncertainty better, for now. Let's take a look at some key movers in today's session. Tesla is making headlines after an analyst upgrade, pushing its stock up by nearly 3%. Investors seem to be betting on its long-term growth in the electric vehicle space, despite the broader market slowdown. Meanwhile, Apple is showing some resilience too, trading higher after unveiling its latest product line. The real question is, will this be enough to offset the slowing smartphone sales we've been hearing about? On the flip side, ExxonMobil is taking a hit today, with oil prices dipping slightly amid rising inventory levels. It looks like the energy sector may continue facing headwinds as we head further into the week. Switching gears to the Forex market now, where things are just as interesting. The US dollar is gaining strength today, especially against the euro and the yen. The euro to US dollar pair is currently trading around 1.0650, down slightly as the dollar benefits from safe haven demand. Over in Japan, the yen is under pressure, with the US dollar to Japanese yen pair flirting with the 150 level. Traders are watching closely to see if the Bank of Japan might intervene, though the central bank has been mostly quiet so far. It's a pivotal point to watch as the dollar continues to assert its dominance. Looking at the British pound, the pound sterling to US dollar pair is struggling to hold above 1.2400, as concerns about the UK economy continue to weigh on sentiment. With inflation still running high in the UK, there's a real sense that the Bank of England might need to keep hiking rates, but that doesn't seem to be giving the pound much of a boost for now. So, what should we be looking out for in the coming days? Well, the next big thing is definitely the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates later this week. Whether or not they hike rates will likely set the tone for both stock and currency markets moving forward. Keep an eye on the jobless claims report and any new inflation data. They're going to be key drivers in shaping how markets react. And that wraps up today's stock market and Forex update. Thanks so much for tuning in. Remember, the markets can move fast, but with the right information, you can stay ahead of the curve. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future updates. Let us know in the comments what stocks or currency pairs you're watching right now. Until next time, take care and happy trading.